Okay, so we're still continuing with our worksheet, and we're at this question, which is number 6. So we have 9 over 5 times 9 over 6, right? And also we could simplify first, and then we could multiply across to get our final answers. All right, so I rather advise students to simplify first and then you multiply across. Alright, so in this case, 9 and 6 are both divisible by 3. So we could go ahead and simplify 9 and the 6. Alright, so 3 into 9 will give us 3, and 3 into 6 will give us 2. Alright, and then we could go ahead and multiply across. So 9 times 3 is 27, and 5 times 2 is 10. Alright, so we got 27 upon 10. Let's put it right here. Alright, alright, that look much better, right? 27 upon 10. Alright, alright, so knowing the fact that number 6 fractions are mixed fraction, I advise students to leave your answers in mixed fractions. And to do this, you could divide 10 into 27, which 10 into 27 will give us 2, and we'll have a remainder of 7. Let's draw 7, and we'll have our denominator, which is 10. And to finalize your answers, you could multiply 10 times 2, which is 20, and if you add this 7, you'll get 27. Alright, so you'll know that 2 and 7 over 10 is your correct answers. Alright, so number 7, they are whole numbers, so it's 4 times 3, which is 12, and that is your answer. Alright, so in number 8 you have, let's give this some space here. Alright, so I'm gonna write up my 20 here. Alright, so you have 3/4, and it's being multiplied by 2 and 2 over 4. Alright, so that is a mixed fraction, and you want to turn it to a proper fraction. To do so, you multiply 4 times 2, which is 8, and you're gonna add 2, which is 10. So you have 10 upon 4. And also, please remember, you could simplify first and then you multiply across. Alright, so I'm going to simplify the 4 and the 10 because they're both divisible by 2. So you have 2 into 4, which is 2, and 2 into 10, which is 5. Now I can go ahead and multiply across, which is 5 times 3 is 15, and 4 times 2 is 8. You could leave your answers as 15 upon 8, or you could, let's see, 50. No, it's best to leave your answers as 15 upon 8. Alright, if you should reduce 15 upon 8, you will get decimals. Alright, but it didn't say to leave your answers in decimals. Alright, so let's leave it as 15 upon 8. Alright, I'm gonna erase here. So in this case here we have fractions with the same denominator, but we could just go ahead and multiply across. So it's 5 times 2, which is 10, and 6 times 6 is 36. Alright, and you could leave your answer as 10 over 36, but also you could simplify it, alright, because they're both divisible by 2. So you could divide the 10 and the 36 by 2. So you have 2 upon 2, and you have the divide sign here, not to confuse anyone. Alright, so it would be 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 36 divided by 2 it's 18. Alright, so you can have 5 or 18 for your answers there. Alright, so for number 10, you have mixed fractions and you want to turn it to proper fractions. So it'll be 6 times 1, which is 6, and plus 2, that's 8. 8 upon 6. And you have multiplied by 1 and 2/3. We're going to turn it to a proper fraction. So it's 3 times 1 is 3, and plus 2, that's 5 upon 3. Alright, nothing to simplify, so we're going to just multiply across. Alright, so it's 8 times 5, which is 40, and 6 times 3 is 18. Alright, so we're at number 11, which that's 5 over 6 being multiplied by 1 and 2, 6. So 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2, that's 8 upon 6. We could reduce the 6 and the 8, so it's by 2, so 2 into 6 was 3, and 2 into 8, which is 4. And we're going to have 5 times 4, which is 20. And you have 6 times 3, which is 18. Also, you could reduce this fraction here because they're both divisible by 2. So you could have 2 into 20, that's 10, and 18 divided by 2, that's 9. So you can have 10 upon 9 for your answer. Alright, so for number 12, so it's 2 and 3/4 multiplied by 3/4, so it's 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3, that's 11. 11 over 4 multiplied by 3/4. Alright, so we could just go and multiply across. So it's 11 times 3 is 33, and 4 times 4 is 16. Alright, so that's it for this worksheet. So let me know in the comment section if you need more clarity about how to multiply mixed fractions, and I'll be happy to assist you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.